There's nothing there, bro. Lol, that's why we didn't hit it. Or there no orders. No, unlucky. I still think we go down here though. Like just in general. Like we should get a pullback to like this 4-hour gap. That's what I'm thinking. We also have a daily VI here. Yeah, like we're gonna come back down. Someday. I think we do it next week. Like these relative equal lows, like we gotta go for this, right? This is a good liquidity pool. Like I like these relative equal lows. But yeah. Alright. Somebody give me a date. Or not. May. Let's do like May. We could do 25, low key. I don't remember it. I've done 23. Let's do 25. Because I don't even remember doing it. Gibby, I'm gonna do like the whole month. Alright. Get some music on. So ES, get that up. So how do I find my bias and all that, right? Go to this, okay. Alright, strike 4-hour time frame. We are bullish to probably this high. We could get a bearish reaction because we are sitting a daily high instead of a fair value gap right here. So I'll keep that in mind, but I'll probably just be looking for a long extreme scenario, come down, see about this low, get along. Yeah. Now we take buys out, I expect a 50% retrace. So 50 is there, but if we just have the 4-hour get along, that's probably good enough. Play price. Oh, that's okay. So we had news. Alright, so we go take out the buy side target that I had marked. Oh wait, no, that's the previous one. Mark this high now. I would not be shorting here. Maybe a short here, but still probably not. I just think we're super bullish here. Insert SMT, no SMT, okay. Yeah, so I probably would not take this short. So that's shorter than a break even. Here's market open. So he's Judah swing into this 15-minute fair value gap. Got a pretty bullish reaction. It's pretty high though, and your target's just like a high that we just swept. So yeah, you can see that 1 minute long fails right there. So I just would not take that. Again, we're really high of this range. Well, we actually did it at 50, but I still think I wouldn't even use 50 of this range. I'd be looking for longs like here now. That'd be like the dream scenario, but like this long's a break even. But if we just go up and up, then I don't really care. Okay, not really much. We do accumulate, we manipulate above, but we miss the buy side target. I wouldn't mind a short if you take out this high. Yeah, if we take out this high, we miss the high though, which is kind of crazy. We could get a short though. So like, and we're forming like kind of low resistant lows. They're not like clean LRLR, but they're lows that are not taking each other out. Okay, there's buy side. No huge gap or anything. Okay, there's a stop out candle. So now I have to see if we continue up from here. I'll take the 3-minute. Not anymore. Lunch hour now. Kind of getting a failed super reaction. If we don't get the reversal here, I'm off this day. Okay. Yeah, way too choppy. This short probably works, but it's just too choppy, so we'll see. Yeah, it does work. It's not good enough. Go next day. So we took out buy side here, had a bearish reaction. We're still respecting this 4-hour though, so I'd probably still be looking for longs here. Dream scenario, come down like here maybe, but or resweep this low would be fine. We'll see. They have like some LRLR there. So we just ran it, no inversion though. I want to resweep. We're forming LRLR to the downside to some extent. There's open. There's just no entry. Okay. There's a short. Again, no entry, really choppy. No fair value gaps gonna put in. I want to run these lows, get a resweep and a long. Okay, we just got a really bullish reaction right there. I mean, nah. I don't like that we didn't run these lows. Oh, there's an SMT. Never mind, I'm blind. Let me go back. There's actually an SMT with this, I think. Oh, wait, no, there wasn't. Never mind. No, I wouldn't take this then. Yeah. Yes. Then do we take this low? We leave equal lows, so yeah. I mean, kind of weird. We're just not even like manipulating below these lows. Even on ES, we're leaving them. That's fine with me. It's not like the best spot for long. Yeah, weird. Whatever. Next day. Okay, I want a long from here. I ever used a daily? Yeah. Like here, this that 4-hour low lines up with this daily gap. So that seems really juicy. I'm bearish here. To the low probably. We could get a long after a resweep this low, but like we have a long here. We are delivering out a 15-minute for value gap. Check ES. I think we want to go for the 4-hour low though. I wouldn't take this long. I think the close is not really great. So let's see what price wants to do here. Yes, that long would have failed in one. If we really start to pump, then I'll turn back bullish probably. Preferably we go lower first. Okay, that's a really bullish sweep. There's a long here. This was decent. I was just going too fast, but delivery at the 15-minute, 30-second inversion to the upside. This is alright. Again, that 4-hour low would be the best. Yeah, you can see it's a break-even trade. Maybe you scale half. Here's market open. I'll switch bullish. I'll look for long if we like invert. Probably this gap. See what the reaction is. Okay. Maybe I should have 5 minute here. This is good. Yeah, that was decent. Okay. Okay, there's the 4 hour. Perfect. Why did we go up first? It's so weird. We went to go like rebounds nothing. Whatever. Alright. I'm looking for longs here. Swept out the 4 hour low in a daily gap. No for value yet though. Oh, was it 30 second? Yeah, okay. I would have been on this. So I would have taken this 30 seconds. So would I wait for the 1 minute here? What I would probably do is enter half size. The momentum off this 30 seconds really, really good, but the 1 minute is obvious. So when the 1 minute is really, really obvious like this, but the momentum is like amazing on the 30 second, you can get in half size. That's what I like to do. Is like get in half size and then add in if the 1 minute does close. But if the 1 minute fails to close and we wick back down, then I just take a half size loss. But this momentum's enough to where I think you can just like jump in. So I'd get in there, half size only, and then probably target. Okay, break even here. Break even technically here. I'll probably just go for a 1-to-1. Okay, there's break even. And there's take profit. Ooh, I should. Wait, why did I not hold a runner? Wait, I'm actually an idiot. I forgot. I forgot about runners. What am I doing? Why half size? Because there was a 1 minute. I should have left a runner though. I'm actually an idiot. I forgot about runners. You see, if I wait for this 1 minute close, the trade goes invalid, and then you just end up taking nothing. So yeah. So I'll enter this half size because it's a 30 second, and this momentum, we broke 3 gaps with 1 candle. This is what, a 20-point candle, a pretty good candle. So, but if this starts to wick down, then I'm probably cooked. I should have held a runner though. I forgot about runners for some reason. Okay, so we got that reaction, got a long from there. That's cool. I'd be looking for a long right now too. Swept out this low instead of a gap. Yeah. I actually would have taken this 30 second. I didn't. Okay, I just skipped off the 1 minute. This 30 second is good. / 1 minute. The highest time frame, most obvious for value gap is probably the 30 seconds. This is way more obvious. Put an order block in. I'll take this half size. I take all pre-market trades half size unless there's a data wick, because it gives me a second. Because if I lose this trade, then that gives me a second chance off market open. That's just kind of how I like to do it. Okay, there's break even. Alright, break even trade. Cool. Okay, now S&T at the low. I don't really like the trade pre-market, but sometimes I will. I usually only get on at 8:30 if there's a news event. But then if not, I usually get on 9:15. I'll take this 3 minute. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get in here. Even though the 3 minute hasn't closed, this is a lot of momentum. And I'm figuring that it was probably gonna close. Stop will be below this order block. This is a good setup. I like this. 15-minute unfilled above. I'd really be surprised if this fails. So there's a 3-minute close. Not hit break even yet. Okay, so break even trade there. And there's break even. Cool. Because I have school starting 9 a.m. Pre-market, just you can trade out when there's like good news events. Because you might get an OSFL. But yeah. Alright. I'll probably wait for open now. There's open. Ooh, okay. So I'd be in this 30-second. This right here. Stop's pretty big, but this is a really, really good trade. I'd probably just like, because the stop's big, I'd probably wouldn't go like full size. And I just wouldn't have a hard stop. I'll probably go like a little more than like 300 risk, and then I'd probably just have a loose stop for a close below. I'll just have my hard stop at the low. Okay, break even there. And break even trade. Okay, that's fine. Break even saves me, cool. SMT at the low that I missed at the long. We got a 30-second here. But I've taken this. This is alright. This gap's not really obvious though. I'll probably end up taking this combined 5-minute. Okay, reset the low again. Okay, I'll take this 1 minute. This high is protected, but now we retook sell side and we have bullish SMT and there's still a lot of momentum. So I think this is a fine trade. You ever scale someone breaking low? No. Nah, scale needs to be at least 1 hour away. Or like some good liquidity target. Okay, there's break even. Damn, break even again. Okay. So usually when I take like 3 break evens, I recognize price conditions are probably not that great because we're not displacing quick off highs and lows. Yeah. I want to reshape with this low, so I want this low get swept, then a long. If we get a long right here, okay. So we go all the way back down. Why would you not go hard sub? The bigger the gap, like this gap, especially the volatility off open, a lot of times I see price like come wick down, like wick like this, and then go back up. So I just would have a hard stop at the low there, and just like risk less. If that makes sense, like have a looser stop, just in case. Probably want to go back for the 4-hour low, so it's probably my draw. Yeah. Could get a reaction off this low sweep though. I'll see. If we leave like an unbalanced gap above. We do have an unbalanced 15-minute for value gap, so like if we get a long here, we're probably delivering out of a 5-minute. Yeah, we're delivering out of 5-minute. Actually. Okay, 10-minute. If you get this 1 minute The gap's not that obvious. 30 seconds / 1 minute, I'll probably try. Nah, that's bad momentum. Okay. That's good momentum. Is this recorded? Yeah. This will be uploaded. Okay. Probably gonna. Okay, so we rebounds the unfilled 15 minute, get a bearish reaction. So that tells me we're gonna go for the 4 hour low, probably. Maybe not. We V-shape right back up. Kind of a weird long. Yeah, just would have been break even. I'd probably just set alert this 4 hour low and just wait. And if we don't get it, then I just turn back bullish if we invert this 15 back up. Slash like this place. I actually wouldn't mind a short, I think. Like this 30-second short. Probably would try this. Or not. Jeez. I'm going next day. It's horrible. What's up, Sana? Yeah, okay. We never went. No, we did go back for the low. Yeah, later. We went to go Phyllis VI. Cool. So I'd be bullish here to this high. Probably want a rebalance 50. Or not 50, but just like probably just like this low swept. Then a long. That lower this low would be nice. Okay, displacement down, cool. Do you have an SMT at the low? So you probably got a long. Oh yeah, that was so far. Okay. It's hindsight, so I won't take it, but I probably would have tried this. But I don't know if I probably wouldn't even be on here. Because I get on 9. So I'd like get on the charts here. 50%. Based off like this momentum, like we're going up to this buy side. I wouldn't like fully expect, like I wouldn't need a full discount retrace. And like discount here doesn't even line up with anything. I'd like, if we just get this, if we get that, then it's fine. Like right now, like you have to identify if it's like a bullish trend day. This to me just seems like rebounds up. If it's like a bullish trend day and we're not reversing at areas, like you see how we sweep out this buy side. We didn't invert this hourly. We have an SMT here. Like if we go to 50, it's cool, but like I just want to marry it. Unless I see displacement towards it. Like if I get a bullish reaction to a low gap, I'll take. Okay, there's open. So we do manipulate to that low. Probably like a 3 minute here. I'll take this 3 minute. Okay, no 3 minute there. I'll take this 1 minute. Unfilled 5 minute above as your break even. We sweep out 15 minute low in the gap. We get a 1 minute long here. Yeah, I'll take this. This is a fine trade. This loss, I'd be okay with that. Alright, so that one lost. I don't know why, I just like felt like it was gonna lose. Just because of this wick. I don't know why. Okay, so that one lost. So I'd probably just be done for the day. I mean, that's like an A+ setup. I guess we wanted to go for this 4, but like, nah, it's fine with me. I do, Dannon. It depends. We'll probably get another setup from here now. So I'd switch my accounts now to my secondary accounts. Because I bet you we get along from here. Okay, we just left relative equal lows. Probably Tanya. Okay, we just left relative equal lows. That's okay. There's a sweep. So yeah, I'd be in this 1 minute long right here. Yeah. Actually, I take the 4 minute here. Okay. Alright, so I'd be in here on my secondary counts. Probably. Yeah, I think this is fine. Maybe I wait for the 3 to close here. I'll see. Okay, yeah, I'd be in right there. So I'd get in here, and I just target 1R on my secondary counts. We can see what happens. Okay. Probably a break-even trade. I think I would have went break-even after, yeah, 30 points in profit. I just would have went break-even here. Break-even would have saved me. Alright, cool. That first loss was fine. Okay, we have a data high. So we have like OSFL potential. I'd probably be looking for steep this low, get along. 50% of this range makes sense. Yeah, that lines up. Yeah. Cool. Interesting. We leave that low. Okay. 30-second long here. I mean, the best long would come from here, I'll be honest. Yeah, that loses. Actually would have been break even. Another 30-second long here. Oh, this one's better. I don't love these relative equal lows below though, I'm not gonna lie. But we are getting a bullshit action here. I'll probably try this on my secondary accounts, not my main. Okay, so it would have been scale break even. Yeah, like I tried on my other accounts. Okay, there's the dream scenario spot. So now I'd want the like good long from here, preferably, or not. Go for the low. That's fine. If we go to long here, I'll take. Secondary accounts, just like if I take a loss, because I only take one trade a day, just so I don't be down 2R in the day, I like to have secondary accounts. Like if I take a loss at like 9:35, and like the entire day is just like then just like gone, because I don't want to take another trade, I'll just switch accounts, because I like the trade. So I'll take this 3 minute probably. Yeah. So I would take this 3 minute, go breaking minute down field 5. This is a really, really good trade. I like this one. 2 minutes pretty obvious, but 3 minute inverted with an order block, so I think that's enough. Plus there's a data high above. Take the high sign pretty much obvious for value gap, so that'd be the 3. Yeah. Okay, break even there. Hopefully we just go up. Okay. Scale most out there, and then leave runners for the dead eye. I'll scale again, probably at 50%. Oh, never mind, we already hit 50. Scale at this gap. Okay, rest got break even. That's fine. I'd probably still be on then, looking for longs on like my secondary account. Probably would have taken this 1 minute. Would have been break even. Alright, whatever, we'll go next. That was a good long. I like that 3 minute. Alright. We're bullish to this daily high. Dream scenario, come back down, super slow, I get along. That's like that unfold hourly. I doubt we get that though, but we'll see. Or maybe it's even short from once we sweep out the high. If we got a reaction to sweeping this slow, like, I wouldn't mind it. Daily, like, you don't really need it. Usually the 4 hours is enough, but sometimes the daily will tell you like an obvious high instead of going for the 4. If you go to the 4, then you have to like just look all the way left. It's just like easier on the eyes to me. Okay, here's market open. Okay, we go for that. We go for that hourly low, for that 50-minute low in the hourly gap. So I'd be looking for a long here. I'll draw at 50, but I wouldn't marry it. Actually, we hit 50, so this is perfect long spot. 30 seconds not very obvious, so I probably wouldn't take it. Yes, that failed. I'll take this 30 second though. Yeah, this would be A+. Alright. I would take that, even though the close is kind of bad. The close is kind of bad, so I'll enter in half, and then if you get like a better candle, I'll enter full, probably. This close, the low key sucks, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, that's a good close. So I'm gonna add in there the rest of my position. So my average would be like here. Yeah, so it'd be break even. So my break even would be like the average of this, which is like this, I think. Yeah, I did go break even on the new internal high created. Then I'd be targeting up there. Alright, cool. So my first take profit would be this high. So it's, wait, which one? 11. Okay, I'd scale this one. Okay, so there's half out there. Then I'd leave the rest for probably this unfilled 15 minute. Or wait, never mind, no unfilled 15. Probably this high right here. Oh, you gotta be. Oh, there's an SMT there. Okay. Okay. That's annoying, but lifetime I would have scaled 100%. I just saw the SMT as I got stopped out. Like this candle right here. So this candle is here, and then once ES, I would have alert on this high, and then once ES takes that high, I would have scaled out. So that would have been a full take profit trade. That's fire. And you guys see how like I add in there? It technically did. Oh no, it didn't fail. I had my stop. Where not my stop? Like here. Yeah. But like me getting my average in caused me not to get break even. And I'm like, the close sucks, but like, that's why I just get it in half size. Dodge's new indicator. It's all right. It's not perfect. Not near perfect. I do like the SMT indicator on it though. That's kind of cool. Like it shows SMTs, which I actually was like looking for one. I haven't found one that's that good, so that's nice. But the ratings of the setup on his indicator kind of suck. Tanya, did you get a refund off his old indicator? Cause I know you had that. Yeah, the rate it was like rating like C- setups for like A setups. Like I don't, kind of outrageous. You already cut it? Oh, okay. Alright, we're like displacing off this hourly gap, so we're really bullish. My target is that daily high, I said before, so we gotta go for that, right? Yeah. I think we'll just continue going up here and market open will just like send us up. That's my prediction. Okay, we had news, so we actually have a range to play. Data high, data low. Probably take out data low first and go long. I feel like you shouldn't have released it yet. I don't think it's good enough. Like if my shit, like if we're getting rated like C-, bro. Okay, so we took out buy side first. I want the daily then, to be honest, before shorting. Okay, so now I'll short, preferably. I'll take this 5 minute. This will be a change in market structure, or not. Or not. I'll take this 1 minute probably. If we get it, never mind. Okay. Alright, so we're just leaving that data low because data lows are patched. I guess we're going for here, and then I'll look for a short. They buy, it's for beginners to identify it. IFGs. Like, you're not supposed to signal it. I don't know. I mean, hey, make some money. I'll make an indicator if it sells like that. I don't know what indicator I'll make though. What indicator should I make? I would do like an A+ only indicator. Like my favorite setup indicator. And it'll be like my two, I have like two setups that are my favorite. Like full A+ reversals with like a manipulation leg, and then like continuation setups with a sweep and a low. Sweep of a low and a gap. Those like are my two favorite setups. Okay. This is horrible. Kind of waiting for this, but that's so far. Yeah, I'm gonna skip more. See what happens. Okay, next day. SMT indicator. There's a lot. I mean, there's Dodge already has it. It have to be unique. I'll look for short when we hit that black line. But have you seen the devs use it with algo? What do you mean? I'll get a long. If we get a long from here, I'll take big bet 50 with 4-hour low. If not, I probably just won't take a trade. Yeah, but you can say like it's for alerts, but that doesn't even make any sense because like, okay, the IFPG triggers, and then what? You have like 10 seconds to get on the chart, log in, assess the draws and liquidity. Like the setup's already triggered, bro. You can you can like algo. I think the algo thing is smart, but like the ratings are not even accurate, so like you'd have to fix that first. That's what I'm saying. Okay, this short's interesting. Why are we like death candling here? Left row 2 equal highs. Yeah, that's pretty good if it actually did have that. Okay, I want the 4-hour low, to be honest. Oh my god. Bro, are we serious? Okay, this 30-second long was a break even. Bro, I hate all-time highs. It's like, it's actually unfathomable. Can we go down first? Where's the S? Oh, there's an SMT. I'm actually an idiot. Okay, now we have an SMT with a 4-hour low. Oh, this long's still so high though. All-time low just isn't a thing. Humble trader, so. We have this 3-minute long. There's an SMT. I'll take this on my secondary counts. I still think it's too high. But it'd probably just be like something like this and just go for this. This probably works. Yeah. Damn, I should have taken that Loki. It's just like so high, man. This is where I'm longing. Chips on trading all-time highs, don't short unless you have good draws and liquidity. Okay. Yeah, let's look at that. Yeah. Wait, that's such a bearish reaction. Okay, I like want to short this, even though I said just don't short. Oh, 3-minute didn't even trigger. Never mind. Alright, next day. Wow. All-time highs just has lower volatility, and then like last week when we went away from all-time highs, the volatility was so good, and then we actually get like really good trading. But when your all-time highs, volatility is low, and you just don't get moves like that. I know, bro. Like we need that price action. Okay, a 50% retrace would be nice. Kind of lines up that unfilled 4-hour. I still think we go for this daily imbalance up here. Yeah. Okay, we have news. We have a data low. I'll take a short out of here. If we get something right, honestly, if we get something right now, I'll take like a 3-minute. I'll take this 3-minute if we get it. Okay, so we sweep at the low. We get a, oh yeah, so I would have taken this, like I just said. So I said I'd take a setup if we tap this gap, because it's a 5-minute high instead of a gap. We're still respecting that hourly. We get a 1-minute inversion, 30-second death candle. This is A+. And the only time you short at all-time highs is when there's a good strong liquidity to the downside. So, and this also made a protected high when we got the setup. It is pre-market though, so I would take it half. Oh no, sorry, I would take it full size. The only way I take something full size pre-market is if there's a data low or data high. And this is A+, so good volatility. Okay, break even there. Okay. If that hit 50%, I probably would have scaled there. No, we missed it. No way, it's break. Okay, perfect. So scale most out there, and then I just leave one runner for the data low. Dude, my runners are so cursed, man. Like I don't even. My runners are cursed. Like my runners never hit. We even inverted the 3-minute too. Okay, whatever. It was a 9:30 long yesterday. No, I didn't like it. I was bearish. I don't know why I'd be bullish there. I just hate all-time highs. Like, this is my target, bro. Like, the targets suck here. They're not even good. Like, what am I even targeting? It's just all-time highs bullshit. Like, anyways. Okay, if I was not done trading, I would have taken this 1 minute. Or 30-second, actually. Yeah, I would have taken this 30-second. This 30-second is the most obvious. So, I mean, I'll take it. It's backtesting. I don't really care. But, oh, well, I want to reflect my P&L accurately. I take this on my secondary accounts because I'll already be done for the day on my main accounts. If we respected the hourly, yeah, we are. So, I would 100% be in this. If we close below. So, let's see how price plays this. PB took that long? No, PB took a CISD long. Okay, that would have been a break-even trade. PB didn't even take a long, bro, based off the model. He took like some CISD bullshit. Wow. Okay. Dude, I remember this day. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I blew an account this day. I remember this day. Yeah, 100% blue an account this day. I remember taking this 5-minute short and getting absolutely destroyed. I remember taking this 5-minute short and getting destroyed. Why did I take that? That's so bad. Yeah, that's a nightmare setup. It's actually not even that bad, but like, not A plus. Okay, whatever. I think I'm gonna call there. Yeah.